engineering marvel, the 2026 Kia Sportage Hybrid revolutionizes the compact SUV market with its innovative design, state-of-the-art features, and exceptional fuel economy. In what seems like a full generational facelift, Kia has expertly refreshed its popular brand with a mid-cycle revamp, combining a confident, tough exterior with an elegant, high-tech interior and unprecedented levels of performance efficiency. The car is a sight to behold. The 2026 Kia Sportage Hybrid is remarkable for 5 reasons. 1. Experienced and self-assured. Design. The 2026 Sportage Hybrid takes a more traditional, self-assured approach, honing the daring opposites united design language. And redesigned grille and rectangular, vertical LED headlights with Kia's distinctive star map lighting adorn the front fascia. The Sportage Hybrid now has a more aggressive and muscular look without sacrificing its distinctive character, thanks to some minor but noticeable modifications. This updated design, together with other optional trims like the Tough X line that features unique 19-inch alloy wheels and high-gloss black highlights, makes the Sportage Hybrid stand out. 2. A hybrid powertrain that is both powerful and efficient. The 2026 Sportage Hybrid's engine gets a major performance boost. A 5-horsepower improvement over the last model year is achieved by combining the 1.6-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine with an electric motor, resulting in 232 horsepower. In both city and highway driving, the Sportage Hybrid feels more responsive and dynamic, thanks to the hybrid system's improved power and rapid torque. Despite all that power, front-wheel drive vehicles nevertheless manage the best fuel economy in their class, with a combined rating of 42 mph. Thirdly, a digital panoramic cockpit with cutting-edge features. A technical wonder awaits you inside the 2026 Sportage Hybrid. 2 breathtaking 12.3-inch panoramic curved displays are now standard on all vehicles, while they were previously reserved for higher trims. This system is powered by the most recent version of Kia's connected car navigation cockpit software, which provides a more responsive interface and the ability to receive updates wirelessly. To top it all off, a brand new 10-inch head-up display HUD is now available, allowing drivers to see important safety and navigational information without taking their eyes off the road. 4. Systems for driver assistance and flagship safety. An enhanced array of cutting-edge safety features elevates the 2026 Sportage Hybrid to the pinnacle of premium technology. With the new and improved Kia DriveWise package, drivers may take use of lane change assist and improved forward collision avoidance. Assist with direct oncoming detection, 2 systems that work together to provide a new level of semi-autonomous driving capability. With the addition of a new terrain mode that allows for the selection of snow, mud, and sand settings, all-wheel drive vehicles can now confidently and securely navigate a range of difficult terrains. 5. High-end functionality and innovative design. Stunning in its combination of cutting-edge technology, unwavering functionality, and unprecedented comfort, the 2026 Sportage Hybrid is sure to turn heads. One of the new features is Digital Key 2.0, which lets drivers lock, unlock, and start the vehicle using a connected smartphone or smartwatch.